Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla's skull. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla skull, let's begin over here at the eye. So I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to curve down, and then we're going to bring this back. Let's make it a little bumpy, and we're going to bring it back to here. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring this up. Next, I'm going to curve this line up a little bit. And then I'm going to start here and I'm going to add another line that's going to curve up. Now, as I curve this one up, I'm going to make some small little bumps on here for like little spikes that Godzilla would have. And we're going to bring these right to about there. Then I'm going to start making these get a little bit bigger as they come back here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to bring this right to about here. I want to bring this down. And then I'm going to make some kind of bumpy little lines as I bring this back. And I'm going to bring it right to about here. Now starting here, I'm going to make this long, kind of big, bumpy line that's just going to go down. And then we're going to bring this back here. I'm going to make another one here. It's going to go down, and it's going to come back. And one more here. I'm going to bring this line right up here. Next, I'm going to come out here. We're going to go out. We're going to curve this in. And then I'm going to bring this line up and back to here. Right here, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to start out here and I'm going to curve it back up. Now starting here, I'm going to start making some sharp teeth, and I'm going to make these pretty close together and pretty big, and I want them to be some different sizes. And you can see I want to put some behind other ones. So we're just going to make some really sharp teeth on here. Now starting back here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to make it a little bit bumpy as I come to here. I'm going to bring this line down and back. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to come up here. And then I'm going to bring this line over, and then up like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line out. Then we're going to bring it down here, leaving a couple broken lines. I'm going to start here and curve this line in. Now I'm going to add some teeth here. I like to start in the middle with a nice big one. And then I'm going to make some different size ones that are going to be kind of in front and behind them. And we're going to put these all the way back to here. I'm going to put a couple more here too. I'll put maybe one more, just kind of finish it off. So now here's our basic shape of our Godzilla skull. Now let's come in here and add some of the fun details. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up to here. And then I'm going to bring a nice little broken line up here too. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring this back to here. We're going to make some little broken lines in some different areas. and a few long kind of broken lines right along the top and bottom of the mouth. We also want to bring in some little lines up here and some down here too. I'm going to bring in some lines right around here. And some long broken lines up here. We're going to do some long kind of broken lines around here in some different spots. And a few coming down here. We're going to make some little lines that come down. And you just want to kind of add a bunch of little broken lines in some different areas. One of the cool things with skulls is to kind of find some little areas and make like a little extra bend or line in there. We're going to make some little lines just kind of around here. And just some extra little lines all over the place and some different details. It's kind of up to you however you want to do this. But there you go. There is your drawing of a Godzilla skull. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.